Okay, we're doing an attic inspection, and lo and behold, we found a big chaseway. This chaseway, a lot of old houses, they do the slope of the stairs that go to the second floor, but they don't think to put a capping above here. So the problem here is you have all these interior walls that's connected to the attic. The attic is considered outside. So this is like having interior walls with no insulation acting as outside walls. So the better way to treat this would be to insulate the walls and then also put a solid foam board over top of this void so that we separate the conditioned space from unconditioned space.